I'm so happy that it rained. Hello, fellow flower lovers. This is Liz. Can we still sow flower seeds directly into the ground and enjoy the blooms this growing season? The soil is warm and lots of sunlight encourage fast germination. My first frost day is October 14 here in Zone 7B. I count forward from June to October 14. I have about 120 days and plus. And read the days to bloom or harvest at the back of the flower seed packet. The 5 flower seeds that can still be planted in June. My first flower is the 4 o'clock. It's a fast growing with trumpet-shaped flowers. Open in the late afternoon. Days to bloom is 75 to 90 days. It's one of the flowers that still blooms in the hot summer. The plants develop taproots and tubers. These roots survive the winter in zones 7 and above. It's also natural self-seeding. The seeds drop to the ground, and come spring, when the soil is warm, they start sprouting. Flowers continuously till the first frost. Sow the seeds 1/4 inch deep into the soil, 7 to 10 days to germinate, full sun, and 45 to 60 days to bloom. My second flower is the cosmos, which is a perennial by self-seeding. Flowers continuously till the first frost. Sow the seeds 1/4 inch deep into the soil, 7 to 10 days to germinate, full sun, and 45 to 60 days to bloom. My third is the zinnia. Zinnias are popular flowers because of their vibrant colors, long-lasting blooms, and thrive in hot weather. Sow the seeds 1/4 inch in the soil, 5 to 8 days germination time, 60 to 80 days to bloom, and thrive in full sun. I'm so surprised that I have some volunteer zinnias this year. This is one of them. And here's more. My fourth is the sunflower. These are volunteer sunflowers. The flower buds form in the center of the plant about 45 to 60 days in. It takes more days to fully open into a bloom, about 2 to 3 weeks. Sow the seeds 1/2 inch in the soil, 1 to 2 weeks to sprout, 70 to 100 days to bloom, and thrive in full sun. My last one Number 5 is the marigold, which is known for its vibrant color like yellow, orange, and red flowers. And the plant repels pests. Sow the seeds 1/4 into the soil, 5 to 8 days to sprout, 50 to 90 days to bloom, and also thrive in full sun. It's also self-seeding, so perennial in my zone. I actually don't plant any of this marigold because I don't like the smell, but I don't want to kill the plants also.